let me show you how you can change the order of the elements you add to the Nebula visual. So let's start by just adding some elements. Let's say I want a rectangle and I'm going to just change it to red. I want another rectangle, make it a bit bigger. I want this one to be blue. Okay, let's say blue. And I want another circle that will be green. Okay, let me make it also a bit bigger. All right, so now the order of these, the layer order of these elements is basically the one that was added first is in the back, and the one that was added last is on top of all of the elements. When you select the element, even if it's in the back, it's always going to come to the front for the purpose of editing it, resizing it, yeah, changing its characteristics. But then when you click away, it's going to remain the layer order that we had before. So it's still going to be in the back. But let's say we now want to bring it, and let's also do it like this so we really see which one is, up front and which one is in the back. But now let's say we want to bring my rectangle to the front. So you have options. If you go right click, layer ordering, you have the following options. You can bring it forward. You can bring it forward brings it only one layer forward. Bring it to front is, it brings it on top of all of the other elements. And then the same for send it backwards goes one layer back, and send it to back goes to the, lowest bottom layer or the layer that we have. So let's say I want to bring it to front. I'm going to click on this. And now even when I click somewhere else, this red rectangle is now my top layer and everything else is behind it. Similarly, if I click on this circle, for example, and I say layer ordering and I say send it backwards, so it's only sending one layer back, it's going to be in the back because before it was in the middle of my two rectangles.